After you fill out the buyer form, the next tab, called the Agent tab, will open. Here, you will enter the details of the agent. On the left side, there is a button to open the camera so you can take pictures if your computer is connected to a webcam. On the right side, there is a form where you add the agent details. The first field here is for selecting the agent. Once you select the agent, the system will automatically fill in details like agent name, father's name, address, phone number, and plot details from the transfer details section. Then, there are 4 fields for uploading images, 1 for the ID card front, 1 for the ID card back, and 2 for the agent's right and left thumbprints. After uploading the images, you click Save and Next to submit the form. If you don't want to fill in all the agent details, you can also click the Skip and Next button to move to the Witness tab. After you submit the agent form, the next tab, which is the Witness tab, will open. Here, you will enter the witness details. On the left side, there is a button to open the camera so you can take pictures if your system is connected to a webcam. On the right side, there is a form where you add the witness details. We will add details for 2 witnesses here, and both fields are similar. First, you enter the name of the witness, then the father's name, address, and phone number. Next, there will be a field showing plot details. After that, there are 2 fields for uploading images, for the witness's right and left thumbprints. Then, you repeat the same process to add the second witness, and then click Save and Next to submit the form. If you don't want to fill in all the witness details, you can click the Skip and Next button to move to the Tax tab. After you submit the witness form, the next tab, which is the Tax tab, will open. Here, you will enter the tax details. We will have 2 sections for taxes, one for the seller and the other for the buyer. First, we will look at the seller's section. The first input field will be value as per agreement, followed by selecting the filer status of seller. Then, there will be an input field for advance tax due from seller, which will be automatically filled based on the seller's filer status and the value as per agreement. Then, you enter the key tax deposited by seller and the CPR No of tax paid by seller. Next, there will be a read-only field showing the value of plot, stamp duty purpose, which is calculated based on predefined transfer tax rates. Then, you enter the amount of stamp duty paid, and the system will calculate the difference of stamp duty automatically. After that, there will be a section for buyer details, where you enter details similar to the seller's, such as filer status of buyer, advance tax due from buyer, tax deposited by buyer, CPR No of tax paid by buyer, and if stamp duty to be paid. Finally, you enter the stamp No stamp duty, and click Save and Next to save the form. After you submit the tax form, the next tab, which is the Transfer Status tab, will open. Here, you will see 2 buttons, one for a Submit, and another for Lock and Final. If you click Submit, the details of the plot transfer will be saved, and you can still edit them. However, if you click Lock and Final, you won't be able to edit the plot transfer details anymore.